Welcome to our channel, The Health Assembly. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic. What happens to your body when you commit to doing 50 push-ups every day? Push-ups are more than just a classic exercise. They're a powerhouse move that can transform your physique and boost your overall health. In this video, we'll explore the incredible physical transformations that come with this daily challenge. From increased upper body strength to improved core stability, push-ups engage multiple muscle groups, making them a highly efficient workout. You'll not only notice enhanced muscle definition in your chest, shoulders, and triceps, but you'll also experience better endurance and posture over time. So, whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, incorporating push-ups into your routine can lead to remarkable benefits. Stick around as we break down the science behind these transformations and share tips on how to maximize your push-up game for optimal results. Let's take a closer look at the biomechanics of push-ups and the muscle groups they engage. When you perform a push-up, you primarily target your chest, shoulders, and triceps, making it a fantastic compound exercise. As you lower your body, your pectoral muscles work hard to control the descent, while your deltoids and triceps assist in pushing back up. Additionally, your core muscles, including the abdominals and lower back, play a crucial role in stabilizing your body throughout the movement. To maximize the benefits of push-ups and prevent injury, maintaining proper form is essential. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, and avoid letting your hips sag or rise too high. Another key concept to consider is progressive overload. By gradually increasing the number of push-ups you do or adding variations, you can challenge your muscles and promote growth. This approach not only enhances strength, but also keeps your workouts engaging and effective. As you commit to doing push-ups consistently, you can expect to see some impressive physical transformations over time. After just a few weeks of regular practice, many individuals notice significant improvements in muscle tone and strength, particularly in the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Your muscles will become more defined, giving you that sculpted look that many strive for. In addition to enhanced muscle tone, push-ups can also lead to positive changes in body composition. With consistent effort, you may experience fat loss as your metabolism increases and your body becomes more efficient at burning calories. This, combined with muscle gain, can result in a leaner, more athletic physique. However, it's important to remember that achieving these results requires consistency and patience. Fitness is a journey, and while you may not see immediate changes, sticking to your routine will yield long-term benefits. Celebrate small victories along the way, and stay committed to your push-up practice for the best results. Engaging in daily push-ups offers more than just physical transformations. It also brings significant mental and emotional benefits. Regular exercise, including push-ups, has been shown to boost mood and reduce stress levels. When you work out, your body releases endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones, which can help alleviate anxiety and promote a sense of well-being. Establishing a daily push-up routine fosters a sense of accomplishment and discipline. Each time you complete your set, you reinforce your commitment to your fitness goals, which can be incredibly empowering. As you see improvements in your strength and physique, you may experience enhanced self-esteem and a more positive body image. Feeling stronger and more capable can transform how you view yourself, leading to greater confidence in various aspects of life. So, as you push through those reps, remember that you're not just building muscle, you're also nurturing your mind and spirit. When it comes to push-ups, maintaining proper form is crucial to avoid injuries and maximize effectiveness. One common mistake is allowing the hips to sag or rise too high, which can strain your lower back and diminish the benefits of the exercise. Keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels is essential for proper alignment and muscle engagement. Another important aspect to consider is the risk of overtraining. While consistency is key, your muscles need time to recover and grow stronger. Ignoring the need for rest days can lead to fatigue, decreased performance, and even injury. It's vital to listen to your body and give yourself adequate recovery time. Not everyone can perform standard push-ups right away. If you find them challenging, don't hesitate to modify the exercise. You can start with knee push-ups or incline push-ups to build strength gradually. Remember, it's better to perform modified push-ups with good form than to struggle with standard ones and risk injury. Integrating push-ups into your fitness regimen can be both effective and enjoyable. To keep your routine interesting and challenging, consider incorporating various push-up variations. From wide grip and diamond push-ups to decline and explosive push-ups, these modifications can target different muscle groups and prevent workout monotony. Setting realistic goals is crucial for long-term success. Start with achievable targets, such as completing a certain number of push-ups or mastering a new variation each week. And tracking your progress can provide motivation and help you stay accountable. As you embark on your push-up journey, keep in mind that progress takes time, and it's essential to listen to your body. Incorporating variations and combining push-ups with other exercises can keep your routine engaging and effective. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and insights. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might benefit from it as well. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.